Worried about losing your customer service job to AI? You're not alone. In recent years, AI has made significant strides in automating various tasks, including those in customer service. Advanced AI systems can handle customer inquiries, process transactions, and even resolve complaints with minimal human intervention. This has led to concerns about job security for customer service professionals. But don't hit the panic button just yet. There are ways to future-proof your career by focusing on skills that AI cannot easily replicate. First up, emotional intelligence. AI might be smart, but it lacks the human touch. Develop your empathy, active listening, and communication skills. These are traits only humans can truly master, and they're invaluable in customer service. Next, let's talk critical thinking. As AI continues to evolve, it is expected to take over more complex tasks. But complex issues? That's where you shine. Hone your critical thinking skills. Learn to approach problems creatively and find solutions that a machine might miss. Now, digital literacy is a must. The more you understand about technology, the better you can work alongside it. Familiarize yourself with AI tools and customer service software. Being tech-savvy will make you indispensable. And don't forget, lifelong learning is key. Stay updated with industry trends and new technologies. Knowledge is power, and staying ahead of the curve will set you apart. Remember, AI isn't here to replace you, but to work with you. Leverage technology to enhance your skills and deliver exceptional service. By focusing on emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and personalized customer interactions, you can build a fulfilling and resilient career in customer service. Don't be a statistic, be a standout. Future-proof your career and thrive in this evolving landscape. As Proverbs 22:29 says, "Do you see a man skillful in his work? He will stand before kings. He will not stand before obscure men." If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.